Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Bright Memory Infinite Gold Edition for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and as you can see, I am using the default settings. I am shocked this game is running. Really shocked. Didn't expect this one to run on the YUZU emulator, but here we are, getting into some gameplay. I can use the Vulkan backend, which is great. It would suck if this was OpenGL. I mean, not even tested if it was OpenGL. But let's see how it performs. This is the first time I'm booting up the game, so it will be building a lot of shaders, so expect a lot of frame stuttering.
All throughout the country, people are celebrating the new year.
As you can see, we are having some lighting issues as well. Now, this game is on PC, but obviously I test everything on everything. YUZU, RPCS, Xenia, it doesn't matter to me. It's a benchmark channel. That's what I do. So yeah, but otherwise play it on PC. It's using more RAM too. 8 gigs, that's crazy. It's almost 9 gigs. It's crazy. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. We are noticing a light glitch where there's a bunch of darkness in some areas, and it's weird. But we're gonna hope that that plays out when gameplay starts.
Hello, Director Chen. What's the matter?
Shelia, sorry to disturb you while you're off. It's an urgent mission from HQ. Each team member has been assigned a survey mission. Begin your investigation as soon as you receive your assigned location.
Okay. What's the current situation?
Just as the news says, our satellites observed some abnormal weather. It's possible that it could escalate into an unimaginable catastrophe.
Understood. I'll contact the closest airfield and head out immediately.
Shelia, we've confirmed the deployment of several military units to the scene. Be extremely careful.
Understood. I'll contact you again later.
Light glitch is rough.
Breaking news.
There's some Fiddle Frame 5 type stuff. It's literally that. That's interesting. It is literally the Fiddle Frame 5 glitch for the light, where it's just the characters that are dark.
Please refrain from leaving your home or going outside.
Nonetheless, the cutscene ran fine. The gameplay is too fast paced. This is these shaders it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough for this one specifically because the game is really fast paced. So I expect a lot of stutter here. It's not gonna be able to build shaders enough for a smooth experience the first time around. It's just not possible.
Shelia, according to info from the front lines, General Lin's unit has arrived at the scene.
General Lin?
The top dog at SAI. They say that tech-wise, even we here at SRO can't hold a candle to his guys. So if they showed up, that means there must be more to the situation than it seems. I've locked in the flight coordinates. We'll be arriving at the designated airspace in 10 seconds. Follow your instructions and activate the warp drive. 3, 2, 1, activate.
We've arrived in the target airspace. The sky is full of thick clouds, and we've got strong winds and lightning.
Everything is fine for the moment. No issues. Begin preparations for descent. Shelia, what's wrong?
The windshield has been destroyed. I'm going to eject. Director Chen, I managed to escape the aircraft. I can see a massive black hole up ahead.
A black hole. Understood. I'll inform the other team members. For now, find a safe place to descend.
Roger.
General Lin's vanguard has been spotted near the drop site. I'm sending Wake your way for backup. Go rendezvous with him. As for that black hole, we don't have enough info.
You know, I've been looking at this. The downgrade for this is crazy, isn't it?
General Lin's unit has already landed.
Considering from
Watch
PC
out.
to Switch, I was wondering how they ported this to Switch to begin with. I was like, this is a really good looking game. How are you getting this in Switch? Downgrading. That's how. Massive downgrade. This is a massive downgrade. Exactly what I expected it to be. Nonetheless, I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the gameplay though.
Shelia, this is Wake. I'm headed to your coordinates now. What's the situation?
I'm doing all right.
Okay, I'll contact you again later. Shelia, any anomalies with a black hole?
Swallowed up a whole mountain. But apart from the rain, there's nothing unusual over here.
The theory of relativity states greater the mass of an object, the more it slows down the flow of time. That means the time in that area